Va subiendo la corriente con chinchorro y ataraya, la canoa de bareque para llegar a la playa. Va subiendo la corriente con chinchorro y ataraya, la canoa de bareque para llegar a la playa. El pescador habla con la luna, el pescador habla con la playa. El pescador no tiene fortuna, solo su taraya. El pescador habla con la luna, el pescador habla con la playa. El pescador no tiene fortuna, solo su taraya.
Cuando era pequeño, I left Abuelita Blanca y Abuelita Sangre por la primera vez. Mi padre was playing the cajon while Toto la Mamposina sang. He suddenly felt his heart slow down. Abuelita Blanca felt a murmur in her son's corazón y ella me dijo que necesito visitar a mi padre to give him a piece of my heart. Baja. Go down until the coolness of an Andean breath dissipates and El Caribe's heat invites you.
The fog kissed me today, then asked why I broke his heart and sold it to the bearded man who smelled of smog on the 28th stop on my way to Brooklyn Bridge. Fog's become smog all over the city. Maybe that's why I dumped him on an alleyway outside Hell's Kitchen. I stayed because I was trapped in your ellipses.
When I arrived in Cartagena, Caribe embraced me from both sides. Wherever I turned, the water beckoned me to join.
Dry. As I travel, there's nausea inside my sternum because it keeps dropping by spiders and baby caterpillars. I try to run it off, but the inland empire of heat is not lucrative anymore. I heard someone talking about dreams at 3 a.m. when I am fully awake. Is there drought out when even the succulents have gone thirsty? These past few days, even my tears are running out. Rain reminds me of kisses, so the first thing I do in the morning is turn on the Weather Channel. Rain and mountain snow is expected today and tonight for much of the Pacific Northwest U.S. I'll stand outside, look up, and wait for it to come pouring because real kisses freak the fuck out of me. Today I stood outside for what felt like an eternity until I almost got hit by a bus. So what if it's the 9 a.m. rush hour for commuters? It was raining and I wanted to be slathered with kisses. But when it's coming down from the sky, down to your hair, and it starts trickling down to your forehead, then the bridge of your nose into your lips, it's divine, like drinking God's tears. It's kissing God.
I'm the fisherman in this town. Ven conmigo, descansa tus pies en mi casa, en mi pueblo.
Rain's tears.
Las lágrimas de la lluvia.
It reminds me of kisses. It's kissing God.
Va subiendo la corriente con chinchorro y atarraya, la canoa de barreque para llegar a la playa. Habla con la luna, habla con la playa. No tiene fortuna, solo su atarraya. Habla con la luna.